It is official, with the press release saying, quote, after months of anticipation, Troy Lee Designs, Red Bull, and Ducati Corsa Off-Road are proud to officially announce the launch of their factory race team, set to make its long-awaited debut with Justin Barcia and Dylan Ferrandis. Now, this is good. I mean, obviously, for me, as a fan side of things, more teams, more factory teams, more money. It's, gives other people rides. And obviously, Barcia and Ferrandis are kind of on the latter end of their careers. Like, this isn't going to be a 10-year venture for them. This is probably a 2 or 3 year maybe. So if this team does well, that's another factory squad for the 250 guys to move up into. And I mean, it's good having more sport, more factory teams, more manufacturers in general. Bring on TM and Fantic and whatever else, whoever makes one, Cove. Bring on the factory squads is what I want. It's just more money into the sport, more factory support, more, killer bikes. And it's a good thing to me. Now, the question becomes, how well do they do? Obviously, this Ducati bike has already proven to be competitive. I mean, it's won a national MX title in Italy. Correct me if I'm wrong there. And this will be the debut of the Supercross side of things. It's going to be a powerful bike. As far as I know, it's going to be the most powerful. I think it's like Ducati is 56 horsepower, something like that. And Yamaha is down at like 54, 55. So that extra horsepower is going to be big. A little more oomph in the in the bust out, but we do have a quote, obviously, from both riders and from Justin Barcia first, saying, "I am absolutely amped to be joining the Troy Lee Designs Red Bull Ducati, factory racing team. It's exciting to be back with the TLD crew and reunite with so many familiar faces I've shared great memories with. This is a fantastic opportunity, and I'm ready to learn, push the new bike, and fight for podiums and race wins." Obviously, he's already done that with Gas. He gave them their first win and podium, so he could make, history with another team. We'll see about that. And Dylan Ferrandis said, quote, "I'm very happy for the opportunity to race Ducati's first season in the U.S. It is such an iconic brand, and I'm stoked to be reunited with Troy Lee Designs. They were one of my first sponsors back in my 85cc days in Europe. The bike feels incredible, and with the team, factory connection, and everyone involved, I have no doubt we can achieve great results." Now, that's going to be the question. How well does this bike do in Supercross? Obviously, it's a completely different thing than motocross, and they're going to want to put money into it. I mean, Ducati is a big manufacturer. Everything that they're racing right now, World Superbike, Moto America, WSBK, anything with two wheels, they are dominating at the moment. So they're going to want to come in here, they're going to want to be competitive, and they're going to want to be quickly competitive, not 4, 5, 6, 7 years down the road. And who knows? As far as I can see, this is, both of them have a 26 deal only. Unless I'm wrong, correct me in the comments below. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment, tell me, how well do you think they both do? Are you excited for Ducati coming in? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.